Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found edible honey in ancient Egyptian tombs. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus rotates incredibly slowly on its axis. The unicorn is Scotland's national animal, chosen for its purity and strength. The longest hiccuping spree lasted 68 years. Imagine having hiccups for most of your life. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer, due to the expansion of iron in the heat.